Do you see the oil coming out of my skin? Oh my friggin', I had never seen that. I know. Hey girl, hey, welcome back to another video. For today, I am so excited. Girl, you have no idea. I am having so much fun with this little microscope. This little microscope, you can get it in Amazon. I'll leave a link down below so you guys can go buy it if you guys would like to. If this is your first time stopping on my channel, this is part 3. Now there is a part 1 and a part 2. So in part 1, I show you guys what brushes, what a sponge, what makeup looks like under a microscope. For part 2, I show you guys what fake makeup and dirty and expired makeup looks like under a microscope. I am going to warn you, if you get disgusted easily, click out of this video. This video is probably not for you, but if you're just a person that is interested to see what is under your makeup and what your makeup actually looks like under a microscope, then stay tuned and keep on watching. For today, for part 3, I always wonder what is left on my face once I remove all of my makeup, because I think that, you know, my makeup remover wipes remove my makeup, but do they really? That is a tricky question. So for today, I want to put to the test if an affordable product would take most of my makeup off, or a more high-end product does a better job and takes off most of your makeup. So I know I don't have all the money in the world to go buy a La Mer or a Sisley product to remove all of my makeup, because you guys know that there's people that rave that, you know, these really expensive skincare products take most of your makeup off, and you see them having beautiful skin and you're like, oh my god, like I want skin like that. So you buy that product and then you buy it and then you're just like, okay, I look the same. So for today, I want to put to the test my usual makeup removal wipes that I always use from Walmart to see if they remove most of my makeup, or if this new product, high-end product that I'm going to test out, removes my makeup better. So if you're interested to see which side ends up cleaner, the affordable or the more expensive, then keep on watching and let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I'm going to remove the left side of my face with the Equate Beauty Original Clean Wet Cleansing Towelette. Now this pack comes with 60 wet towelettes. Once you go to Walmart and you purchase these, they do come with 2 packs. So you end up getting 120 wet towelettes for just $4.98. Super, super affordable. So for my left side of my face, I'm going to use these wipes to remove my makeup. Now for the right side of my face, I'm going to be using this Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. You guys were going crazy in the comment section telling me this was the best thing out there to remove your makeup, and that it did an amazing job. I have never heard of this, I have never tried it, so I'm very excited. Now I did get the travel size because I don't know how well I'm gonna like it. This one was $9.50, and I figured if it really works, anyone out there can purchase it. It was $10.20 to be exact with taxes, and the original size is $30. So if this really works, then I guess I'll go out there and purchase it for $30. I'm super intrigued because once you guys were going crazy in the comment section, I looked it up and it has so many great reviews that I am so excited to see how this turns out. So we're gonna go ahead and get started, but first, before we remove our makeup, I am gonna show you what my makeup looks like underneath a microscope. I do want to clarify, I have been having this makeup on for about 5 hours, and I know this is not the best makeup, but I recently just filmed a full face with Five Below makeup, so everything that I'm wearing on my face is $5 and under. Let's just get started with my skin to see what it looks like. A lot of hairs. Okay, so here you really get to see what the skin looks like. As you guys can see, I definitely need a really good moisturizer and a really good primer. Those little ridges that you see there, that is where the foundation sinks in, and sometimes some makeup removers don't really get in between all those little wrinkle lines, and they don't remove all of the makeup. You're seeing that I have speckles of glitter everywhere. There's my hair. I have so many hairs. So much peach fuzz. Girl, what do you do to remove all your peach fuzz? Let me know. Is that a gray hair? Is that a gray hair right there? Girl, I'm just 21. Why is there a gray hair in my face? Let's move on to the highlight. Ooh, look at that. Now let's look at my brows. That is what a brow looks like. Oh, girl. And I thought my eyebrows were on fleek. Look at that. Look. I feel like I could literally just grab my hair and do this and a whole bunch of gunk will come out. Like there's so much glitter underneath my brows. That's insane. Whoa. Let's do my eye. Okay, I'm missing spots of eyeshadow there. I guess I didn't put enough eyeshadow because I can see the shimmery eyeshadow and then I can see my skin. So girl, I did not do a good job on this look today. Now let's look at my lashes. That is not my lash. What the heck is that? Ew, what is that? Ew, what is that? Ew, ew, ew. That right there is my lash band. Oh, it's honestly quite disgusting. All right, this is the part that I always fear the most. And it is my nose area. Okay, look at how oily my nose is. Do you ever wonder what an oily spot on your face looks like under a microscope? I do. We're about to find out, girl. Hold up. It's like puddles. You know when it rains and there's like puddles of rain? There's puddles of oil in my nose. Okay, this is the oily part. This is where I'm super, super oily, and you can see that it's like, girl. No, 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 no. Oh, we got a freaking disco ball over here. A freaking grease ball. Oh, hey, honey. Look at them hairs with that black head there. Look. Do you see the oil coming out of my skin? Oh my friggin', I had never seen that. I know you're seeing all of that oil being produced on my nose. You see all that oil? It was producing it right now. I'm scarred for life. Enough of that. I showed you guys what my face looks like under a microscope. All right, now let's go ahead and let's take off this side of my face with the towelettes. Oh my god, that was so interesting. Okay, so I'm gonna take the towelette. Usually I just grab a towel and I wrap it around my fingers like this, like so. Let's start removing it. I just remove my face with the towelettes, literally. That's all I do. And it, oh, what does this look like under a microscope? Oh, hell no. Honey. Ooh. So usually I just remove my makeup with these towels and then I just go rinse it off with cold water. So since this also needs water to rinse it off, I figured I'll just remove half of my face and then remove half of my face with this balm and then just go and rinse it off with just water. Okay, I think I removed it all. We're set to go. Now let's remove the other half of our face with the Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. So here we go. So I've never used this Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm, but when I looked it up, there was like a little video in the Sephora website, and I just saw girls literally just like dipping their hand in there and just cleansing it away like a balm, if that makes any sense. So I'm gonna do that. I'm excited. What does this even smell like? It doesn't even have a scent to it. Okay, let me take off my lash. There we go. Oh, that looks so cool. I'm guessing this just like melts off your entire makeup. While I went to go get my little pads and this little tray with water, the cleanser seems to be changing color, but I think it's because it's melting everything away, which is super cool. You guys just want to see like a quick little glimpse of what this looks like once it's melting? I'll show you guys real quickly. Here we go. Whoa. It literally melted everything away. Okay, so that's that. Now I'm gonna grab a little cleanser pad. Are these what these things are called? I don't know. And I'm just going to remove it with water. Like so. I hope I'm doing this okay because I've never even used this cleanser. Great. I'll show you what this looks like under the microscope as well. Whoa. That's gross. Look at that. Oh Lord. Makeup is nasty, okay? Let me just say that. Makeup is quite nasty. It makes it look cute though, but it's kind of gross. Okay, so this is what my face looks like once I have taken everything off. Both sides of my face have no makeup. Well, at least it looks like I have no makeup. So now, I removed it with the wipes. I removed it with the Clinique. So now, to give it a first shot, I always have to rinse off my face with cold water no matter what I use, just so I can feel like my face is finally squeaky clean. So now I'm going to go to my restroom and just clean my face with cold water and then just grab a towel, pat it down, and then I'll be back and show you what each side looks like without no makeup under the microscope. So I will be back in like 3.5 seconds, okay? I'll be back.
A few inches later.
I am back and I'm just patting down my skin so it can get nice and dry. Looks nice and clear, huh? It looks like it's not dirty, but we're about to see if it is dirty. So here we go, moment of truth. Let's start off with this side, the affordable side that I use the wipes. Now let's see what it looks like with no makeup on. Okay. There's still a little residue of makeup there. Yeah, I can see all of the shimmer and the glitter, and let's get the brows though. Oh, the brows still have some gunk in there. Let's get my eyelid. My eyelid looks pretty clean. Look at the lashes now. Oh, that's gotta be the most disgusting thing I've ever seen. Look at that. I still have mascara and everything in there. What about my nose? That's the part that I'm curious. Look at all my blackheads, girl. Look at that one right there. Oh! Okay, so it looks like I don't have much makeup on my skin, actually. Let's look at my forehead. I definitely still have some glitter from like the eyeshadow and like the highlighter on my skin. But it looks like it cleaned very well, like all the fine lines in my skin. It looks like it did a pretty good job to get rid of that. It's just my eyelashes that are freaking me out because I have like so much gunk in there. Look at all that gunk there, girl. Oh, I wonder if the Clinique Balm did a better job of removing all of that. Oh, okay. Now let's go to this side. Okay, well, this side looks about the same. Skin looks pretty clean here too. I think it looks cleaner than this side, or am I just like tripping? No, I still see some glitter there, like of the highlight. Yeah, I still see, I still see some glitter there. I see more glitter than this side actually. Okay, that's weird. Yeah, am I the only one? I'm honestly personally seeing more glitter on this side than on the other side. Now let's check out the brows. There's more gunk in this one. There's more makeup on this eyebrow. Okay, let's check out the nose now. Now the nose looks pretty clean. Nose looks pretty clean. Now let's check the lashes. So since this is the balm, I'm expecting to have done a better job to remove all the junk, all the gunk on my lashes. Nope, I still have some dang eyelash glue there. You see it? Oh my god. I have so much more stuff on this eye versus the other one. I would expect the opposite. Now let's look at my lips. Look how much lipstick residue I have. Ew. On both sides. But this one has more. Okay, now what I think is that these removed my makeup so much better versus the Clinique. That's just personally me, what I saw under the microscope, because on this side of my face I saw so much more like glitter speckles versus this side, and this was the Clinique side. I was expecting for it to be a balm, and you know, I went very good into my eyes. I was expecting to get rid of all of like the lash glue and all the mascara, and I was still seeing some mascara and some lash glue there. You guys saw it as well. Personally, I feel like if this is $30, keep in mind it is 30 because this is like the travel size. If this is $30 and this is $5 for 120 towelettes, then for $30 I would expect this to be so much better than the $5. Does that make any sense? So honestly, I feel like this takes off my makeup better versus the Clinique, the take the day off cleansing balm. So let me know which side you felt like removed my makeup better. But honestly, from what I'm seeing, I feel like the affordable side removed my makeup so much better versus like the high-end side. I mean, I know this is not like a high-end like Sisley or La Mer, but it's in there in between the high-end. Make sure to comment down below which side you guys think cleaned it better, the affordable or the more high-end. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much. I am really happy that you guys are enjoying this little series. So like I said, if you haven't checked out part 1 or part 2, make sure to go check it out. I'll leave a link down below. If you're new here, do not forget to subscribe so you can be part of the Pita family. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye my loves.
Make sure you're subscribed so you can watch all of my videos, and if you want to keep on watching more and more videos, make sure to check out yesterday's video. You are not going to want to miss it. It's amazing. Also, if you want to get to know me a little bit better, make sure to subscribe to that vlogging channel right there. And if you can't get enough of me, here is my Spanish channel, so you can go ahead and subscribe. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you tomorrow.